Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error. Server are not reachable, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first type here device manager, click on it, and now go to network adapters, right click on the first one here, update drivers, search automatically for drivers, and then click close, and now one by one until the last one here, and make sure all those drivers are updated. And after that, let's move to the next step. Type here cmd, right click on it, you must right click on it and click run as administrator and click yes. Now on Siri here, type ipconfig//dns, click enter, and then type here niche winsock reset and click enter. Restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.